Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with another card layout. This time, layout number 97, and I'm going to create this card. It uses these papers from first edition called Fiesta Viva. Lots of beautiful colours and patterns going on in this one. And plenty to work with as well. Okay, so it starts with this sketch, which of course you can download from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. I've pre-printed a sentiment which I made on my computer, and then I've gathered up some dies, some papers, and of course the pattern papers from the paper pad. So the first choice was whether to have the dark at the front or the back, and then once that decision was made, I chopped down the papers to according to the layout. I'm using the pin flare bookbinding glue as I normally do. Don't think I'm going to change this for next year either because it's just so perfect. So I'm going with a full panel for this one. So I'm working with a 6x4 card, and that panel is going to cover the front of the card. Now, if you ever get bits like this, little bits randomly sticking out, just chop it off. Nobody's going to know. There's a tip for you from a lazy crafter. Okay, chopping down the next bit. It's a nice texture to this paper as well, actually. It's not just printed, it's been embossed too. Cropping down the little square that I'm going to use in the bottom left corner. And this layout, really, I think I just wanted to show that you don't necessarily always have to stick things right in the center of your card or make sure that they're a certain distance from the edge. You can actually just put them right in a corner and it will work. This would work whether it's bottom left, bottom right, top left or top right. Either will work. Just sticking the sentiment panel down, followed by the square of colour, which I'm going to raise up with foam pads. And that's where I'll stick whatever embellishment I'm going to use. Don't have to over fancify it, just a single embellishment would work. So there's glue on the whole of that piece, and then I'll bring back the card and stick that in place. There we go, it's looking all right. Would you have switched those papers around though? Would you have done the dark at the back and the light at the front? Questions. Okay, so I cut out some of the video here, but basically cut out 3 flowers. They just get layered on top of each other. And then that whole collection is going to get stuck onto the blue or teal, teal square. And then I thought, I need something in the middle of that. And I'm a bit low on larger gems or larger embellishments for the centre of the flower. So I thought, I'll cut another flower. This time from the teal. And then it kind of brings that colour forward. How are you getting on with all these layouts? We're up to 97 now, almost at that 100. I've got a plan for 2022 as well. I'll tell you more about that another time. Final little thing going on here. Just a little gem. And there we have it. Card layout number 97 done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to thumbs up. That's it for this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And for more from me in the future, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.